How to add announcement bar in Shopify. So the first step is to go to online store. Then you're gonna have to scroll down and click on customize. And basically here, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to settings, and then here you're gonna have to simply, so let's see, so you're gonna have to simply look for the announcement bar section. So as you can see, it should be here. Let's see, and let's see where it is. So basically, so let's see, container here, and then we have pop-ups, as you can see right here, theme styles, app embed section, as you can see at the top here, announcement bar. So basically here you have the announcement bar, so you're gonna have to simply click on the add announcement if you want to add another announcement, or you can add section and select the announcement bar and you can add a new one. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.